Ever wondered why that slice of chocolate cake feels so rewarding? Or why crossing off tasks on your to-do list gives a sense of satisfaction? The culprit behind these feelings, believe it or not, is a tiny molecule, dopamine. But what is dopamine and why does it have such a profound effect on our experiences of pleasure and pain? Dopamine, a type of neurotransmitter, is a chemical messenger that transmits signals in the brain and other vital areas. This small molecule plays a significant role in how we feel pleasure. It's a big part of our unique human ability to think and plan. Imagine dopamine as an enthusiastic postman in the brain, carrying messages from one neuron to another. It gets released when your brain is expecting a reward. When you're about to bite into that delicious chocolate cake, your brain releases dopamine in anticipation. This release makes us feel good and motivates us to perform certain activities again and again. However, dopamine isn't just about pleasure. It also plays a crucial role in learning, memory, and even motor system function. It helps us focus and find things interesting. Without dopamine, our life would be dull and colorless, like a movie without a soundtrack. Interestingly, dopamine is also a key player in the experience of pain. It's not just about the highs, it's about the lows too. When something bad happens, the flow of dopamine decreases, and we feel discomfort, indicating something is not right. This pain, in turn, motivates us to seek out rewards, starting the cycle again. In fact, many addictive drugs work by increasing the release of dopamine. They flood the brain with dopamine, creating a high. Over time, the brain becomes desensitized, requiring more of the drug to achieve the same effect. This illustrates the darker side of dopamine, showing how it can lead to destructive behaviors. So, to summarize, dopamine is a neurotransmitter that plays a significant role in our experiences of pleasure and pain. It gets released when we anticipate a reward, making us feel good and motivating us to do things. It's also involved in learning, memory, and motor system function. But dopamine isn't only about pleasure. It's also involved in our experiences of pain, and can even lead to addictive behaviors when manipulated by drugs. Remember, understanding dopamine is not just about understanding how we derive pleasure, but also how we learn, how we strive, and how sometimes we can lose ourselves in the pursuit of feeling good. It's an insight into the complex workings of the human brain, a testament to our shared human experiences of pleasure, pain, and everything in between.